backend. CD space backend, automatically we can switch you to backend directory. Next one guys. Today date is the 15th na? 15 06 06 2021. 15/06/2021 or something we need to do place. See this Pankara, what is our target today? Develop the server. This is our target today. Fine. To develop the server, can I go for the step-by-step procedure?
Yes.
Can I go for the step-by-step procedure? First one, create the directory. Create the directory. Fine. Which directory we need to create? Which directory we need to create a backend directory. Create one directory. Which directory we need to create a backend directory. Guys, all the people, are you catching the speed or can I slow down? As every wish, guys, okay na? Girinada.
Yes.
See this one can create one directory. Which directory? Backend directory. Create that one. Can I create the folder? New folder. Backend. Yes, so directory means folder only. Next one. Second one. Second one is the, let me go for the second one. Switch you to backend directory. Switch you to backend directory. How can I switch you to backend directory? Like I saying cd space backend. Cd space backend, automatically we can switch you to backend directory. Can I switch it? cd space backend. Cd space backend, automatically we can switch you to backend directory. Next one. Third one is the download the node modules. Third one is the download the node modules. Fun. What is the first node module? Express. Fun. Can you people tell why Express? Can you people tell why Express? Express used to answer. Express used to develop the REST APIs. Pranav active care. Express used to develop the REST APIs. Next one, Prem. Prem, may know the example? Prem, may know the example? The example is the get request. Next one is the get request, post request, get request, post request, put request, delete request, put request, delete request. Next one is the head request, and like this also, and the number of requests. And one more thing. Second one is the, let me go for the second one. Second one is the, observe this one here. Second one is the mongoose. Vindhya, respond here. Why mongoose? Vindhya, respond. Why mongoose? Use to connect to use to connect to MongoDB database with the schema. Use to connect to MongoDB database with the schema. Guys, have you heard about this word in the database classes? Oracle classes. Are you attending Oracle classes or not? Yes or not? In the Oracle classes, they are saying the schema or not? Yes or not? Fine. What is the schema according to your knowledge? What is schema? Schema means rules and regulations. Schema means, what is schema? Schema means rules and regulations. And one more point. One more point is that, do you people know how to enable CARS policy? Do you people know how to enable CARS policy with the help of which library? With the help of which library? CARS library. With the help of one library, the library is the CARS library. Fine. Use to enable the CARS policy. Use to enable the CARS policy. Guys, this kind of terminology generally won't be there in regular classes. By seeing this terminology, some people, they are feeling like difficulty. But once if you go for the real time, you need this kind of terminology. Remember that one. In general Angular classes, we won't expand these kind of points. The reason is the reachability is less. The people are feeling difficulty. But once if you go for the real time, these kind of applications you need to work. Remember that point. Fun. And one more thing. One more thing is the how to.
What is meant by CARS policy?
Yeah, say this one here. What is meant by CARS policy in the sense? Do you know Angular? Angular running on which port number?
No.
Angular. Do you know Angular?
4200.
1 second here. Anyone guys? Who asked that one? Manikanta. What is Manikanta? Someone asked.
4200.
4200. Sure na?
Yeah, sure.
Angular running on one port number. The port number is the 4200. Next one. Here itself. Are you developing node server? You are developing node server now or not? At least whoever asked the question, open your mouth to say yes or no. Are we developing node server or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What is the port number of node server? The port number of node server is we don't know. Some 1, 2, 3, 4, some port number is there. Which database you are using? MongoDB database. What is the port number of the MongoDB database? What is the port number? 27017. Explain 1 second. Lucky Singh. Angular running on which port number? 4200. Node.js running on which port number? We don't know. We don't know some custom port number 1234 8080 some port number. No, MongoDB running on which port number? 27017. MongoDB running on one port number. The port number is the 27017. Fine. How many port numbers are available? How many port numbers? 3 port numbers are available now.
Yeah.
Yes or not?
Yes.
If you have more than one port number in single project, if you have more than one port number in single project, you need to enable communication between the ports. You should enable the communication between the ports. Enabling the communication between the different ports, we can call CARS policy. You can call it as CARS policy. Yes or not? How to enable CARS policy? With the help of which library? With the help of which library? CARS library. Who asked that question? Are you clear?
I am clear, sir.
Chakravarti series fun.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah,
the CARS policy? In your project, you have more than one port number. So you need to enable communication between those ports. Enabling communication between those ports, we can call CARS policy. Yes or not?
Yes.
In order to enable CARS policy, we need to dependent on one library. Which library? CARS library. Remember that point. Can I share this screenshot also, guys?
Yes.
Let me share this screenshot also. Let me share this guys. Everyone join with the single group, guys. But these many number of groups I can't maintain here. So I will share the link to you after that. At the end of the class, I will share the link to you. Everyone should be there with my common group. These many number of groups I can't maintain here. I will share the link. Please go through that link here. So next one. One more point we need to see. One more point is the are you developing backend? Kindly give the reply to me. Are you developing backend now?
Yes.
Are you developing backend now? Backend should receive the data from the front end or not?
Yes.
Yeah. How backend should receive the data from the front end? With the help of one module. The module is the body parser module. Fine. Guys, will you people tell the answer again? Tell the answer here. Use to receive the data from front end application. Front end application. Who is the front end?
Angular.
Who is the front end? The front end is the Angular. Fine. Next one, guys. How to encrypt the passwords before storing into database? I want to encrypt the passwords before storing into database. How can I encrypt? How can encrypt? Encrypt JS with the help of what? Encrypted JS. Use to encrypt the passwords. Passwords before storing into databases.
I think Bcrypt, sir.
Encrypt na?
Bcrypt.
I think in the encrypt JS only like API is there. Through that API we can decrypt it. Okay, fine. Next one, guys. Let me go for the another point, guys. How to maintain global environment? Variable. I want you to maintain on a global environmental variable to maintain application global properties. Listen the lengthy statement. I want you to maintain one a global properties file. Have you heard about the properties file? Anyone guys? Have you heard about the configuration files or something? Have you heard about the configuration files? Array, talk with me here.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about the configuration files? In the backend also, I want you to maintain configuration file. If you want you to maintain configuration file, then we need to go for one env module. See this one here. Use to anyone. Use to maintain the maintain the configuration files. Configuration files. Use to maintain the configuration files. Next one, guys. Under how to develop the REST services in asynchronous manner. I want you to develop RESTful web services in asynchronous manner. Synchronous, asynchronous, two things are there. To develop REST services in asynchronous manner, here we have the one more library. Which library? Express Async Handler. Very, very important here. Guys, do you know communications? How many types of communications we have? Synchronous communication and synchronous communication and asynchronous communication. So which one is a suggestible? Synchronous or asynchronous? Asynchronous. How to develop the RESTful web services in asynchronous manner? In asynchronous manner with the help of our Satyajit. I don't know why you joined the late. I don't know. Satyajit, already you completed the course. At some other place. Once again you came here. Just to give the more importance to these classes, because project development, you need to join on time. Satyajit, see this one here. Use it to develop the REST services in which manner? Asynchronous manner. Very, very important here. Guys, do you know communications are synchronous and asynchronous? Yes, asynchronous communication. So which one then we need to go for one env module. See this one here. Use to anyone. Use to maintain the maintain the configuration files. Configuration files. Use to maintain the configuration files. Next one, guys. Under how to develop the REST services in asynchronous manner. I want you to develop RESTful web services in asynchronous manner. Synchronous, asynchronous, two things are there. To develop REST services in asynchronous manner, here we have the one more library. Which library? Express Async Handler. Very, very important here. Guys, do you know communications? How many types of communications we have? Synchronous communication and asynchronous communication. So which one is a suggestible? Synchronous or asynchronous? Asynchronous. How to develop the RESTful web services in asynchronous manner? With the help of our Satyajit. I don't know why you joined the late. I don't know. Satyajit, already you completed the course. At some other place. Once again you came here. Just to give the more importance to these classes, because project development, you need to join on time. Satyajit, see this one here. Use to develop the REST services in which manner? Asynchronous manner. Very, very important here. Guys, do you know communications are synchronous and asynchronous? Yes or not? Which one is a suggestible? Asynchronous is suggestible here. Fine. Guys, apart from that one, still, guys, how to generate the tokens? I want you to generate the tokens. Sharmila, respond here. I want you to generate the tokens. See this one here. JSON web token. JSON web token here. Use to generate the tokens. Generate the tokens. Fun. In general, we will use these tokens for authentication purpose. These tokens for which purpose? Authentication purpose. Fun. And one more pointer. This authentication, what do you call? These type of authentication we can call token based authentication. Compulsory here. Once if you go for any real-time project, authentication is mandatory here. In the interview panel also, in the Naukri also, you can find this word, token based authentication. Fine. Yeah, guys, can I review all the points once again? Can you tell the quick answers to me? Yes. With the help of Express JS here. Next one. How many types of communications we have? How many types of communications we have? We have the two types of communications. What is the first one? Synchronous. No. Synchronous. Next one is the yeah, we will download Yabo libraries by using either which tool? By using either once again either npm tool or yarn tool, either npm tool or yarn tool. So can I download by using yarn tool? Can I download by using yarn tool? Talk with me. Yarn yard express async handler, express async handler. Anyone guys? Yarn add express async handler. Next one is the mongoose guys. Latest module is the mongoose and old module is the MongoDB. Guys, download the two modules. If not required, I will delete this module here. Whatever the module is then, we will delete this module in the future if not required again. And one more point, Chaitanya, yes, one more point. One more point is the how to generate the token JSON web token. How to enable cars policy. How to enable cars policy with the help of cars. With the help of cars, we can enable the cars policy here. Next one. What is the one more thing here? Next one is the we need to go for the body parser. With the help of with the help of body parser. Next one. Next one. Any other thing? Encrypt JS. One more thing is the encrypt JS. Next one. Dot env. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guys, hyphen save. So automatically these 9 libraries will download. So can I run this command?
Yes, sir.
Yes, let me run this command. Yes, guys, see this one here. Guys, here which folder created? Here which folder created? Here one folder created now. Which folder created? Node modules folder. Automatically, all the libraries downloads to node_modules folder. Fine. See this one here. Automatically, Yabo libraries. Yabo libraries downloads to modules directory. In which path here? In current path or not? In current path or not? Talk with me. Yes, in current path. Fine. Guys, are you feeling comfortable up to now, or any difficulty to understand up to now?
No.
Anyone, guys? Anyone? Are you people okay up to now?
Yes.
Yes, sir. And can I go for the, say this one here, and can I go for the, let me go for the another thing here. Prathamesh, can I develop the node server? Prathamesh, can I develop the node server?
Yes.
Talk
Yes,
with me. But before developing the node server, we need to create a model. First of all, we need to create a model based on database response. You need to create one model. Remember the point, guys. Can I open the database? Let me open the database. We should be in a position. We need to open the database. Let me open the database. Never feel the difficulty, guys. Never. Guys, Java people also, I think you may enjoy with this fun here because new things, guys. These are the new things available in the market itself. Yes, go to the collections. This is the cloud database, cloud MongoDB database. Fine. Say this one here. Go to the main ng project. Na our database is the main ng project products. Let me go for the products. Main ng project products. Fine. Guys, here Observe this one. How many fields we have? How many fields we have? Underscore